This video presents Dynaway Asset Activity Board. To go to Asset Activity Board, press on Assets and choose Asset Activity Board. Scroll down to see all your assets. Press on Reload and User Setup. Here you can choose how you want to group your assets. Let's group them by their location. Expand the view to see all of the assets. Asset Activity Board allows you to quickly and easily reschedule the operations on the assets by dragging them horizontally to different fields on the board. You can also access the asset card from the board. Design your view by choosing View in the toolbar. You can show or hide specific groups and objects, such as empty groups. By pressing Show Groups Only, you hide assets. You can show priority bookmarks on work orders and expand all visible objects. Highlight Overdue to keep colors only on overdue work orders. Use objects from the toolbar to adjust the visibility of allocations on the board. From objects, you can show or hide maintenance logs, hide work orders, and hide or show work orders on groups. By showing work order simulations, you can see resources and items expected to be consumed on the chosen work orders in the future. You can show downtimes or downtimes on group and show downtime simulations or downtime simulations on group. This functionality can help to reduce downtime and improve asset reliability. To get an overview of asset transfers, press Show Asset Transfers and choose to show asset transfers on a specific location group. You can show production orders and production orders on group to plan better maintenance operations. If you want to customize your view even more, open the Apply Filter tab. You can create a new filter to be shown on the board. Use the Search tab to find records on the board. Let's press on Work Order to see the work orders list of records. You can do the same with assets, downtimes, asset transfers, and production order routing, providing that they are not hidden in the Objects tab.